wake me up when it's all over. When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. Hi guys, it's Ryle and this time I have a new server. It is this one, MC War, and I've tested it out before and it shows up to just be like an war where you shoot. Well, you guys shall see, and I don't think I have more to say. Oh, oh shit, I always forget. As you saw in my latest video, my friend Lord Firefist told you that I'm Swedish, and therefore we are having the Swedish on. So now it's English, and well, I'm gonna pause till something happens. 3 seconds, 2, 1, and okay, I'm just gonna whoa. It's lagging as shit. Okay, you can see this who I'm holding. This is a shotgun. This is on blindness, and this is for it's just a normal iron sword. And then now you're gonna in this game you're gonna try to kill all zombies that you're gonna try to kill with the help of your tools. Let's go, I hope. You can see that my food bar is going down very fast. Shit, there the zombie is, as you can see. If he hits somebody, that guy's a zombie then. Ah! Shit. If this happens, you should be really far away. Run! Run, 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 run! Run, run! Shit, I don't wanna die. I don't wanna be zombie food. He's gonna take my brain. Shit, I got a gun here. I don't know how to tell them, but in the chat, but they're coming, and they're mad. Run for your lives! Shit. Shit, I'm not gonna go in there. I think that as you can see in the chat, people chat. that was pretty fun. But where are they? Where are those motherfucking zombies? Where are they? Those motherfuckers. There are some girls there. Ugh. Shit. I don't like this. Really don't like this. Do you guys like this? It can be a zombie attacking anytime. And I just don't like that. Oh, there's a zombie! Oh shit. Zombie killed him. Shoot zombies! What? No! What the fuck? Now I'm a zombie. Oh. I got infected. So if I hit people now, they will turn into zombies. And that's the point of being a zombie. Turn all others to be zombies. Wasn't this almost like where I died? Where are those scabby idiots that are people?
They're even worse than villagers. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Is that them? Shit, they weren't there. They're teaming. Shit, and then we really gotta go there. Fast. Now I know where they are. It's good that you can see their name tags. Is that those blue guys? No, that's a red guy. What? What the fuck? Someone hit me with that blindness. Okay. Oh, and I'm just gonna wait till the blindness is... What the? Oh! I think the zombies killed everyone, and... Oh! I'm just gonna pause till... Well, another round starts. In 1 minute. Just a few seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1, and... Okay. Oh, it's blue versus red now. Now you're gonna kill all blue, and this is just for fun. Even if you die several times, well, you only respawn. Oh shit! Shit! The blue team is everywhere. But it is pretty fun. Shit, I died. They got me. I think I'm gonna take... Whoa! There is someone there! Wait, this is my ammo. 64 flint and... Fuck! I saw it. And there's are those blinders. Shit, 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 shit! Are there people shooting at us? Well, it is, but... In the spawn? I mean, come on! Ah! Fuck. Fuck no. Fuck no. Fuck no! Fuck no! Oh. Fuck no! Oh. I think yes, I think we got him. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Ah, shit, that was a grenade. Aye! Oh shit! Ah! Oh fuck! That was not good. There are people trying to kill us. Well, I know that. Shit, that was just idiot. Because, whoa, 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 whoa! I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Ah, fuck you! Fuck you! They got me. I'm gonna just use some blindness attacks now. Shit, and they're using fireballs? That's unfair. Ah, shit. And they got me with a blindness potion. Fuck, and their time was. That was an awesome skill. Well, I'm gonna see you next round. Or when there's just 10 seconds left, or I'll just show you around. This is some donation infos. The server will be in the descriptions. Look, there's on their Twitter. Gun info and prestige gun info, and it's 20 seconds left, because you can see that on my levels. Shit, that's a shotgun. Shotgun. I just hope I start with some of those. Where are those shovels? Pistol. Oh, yes. And it's just 1 second left. Hello. Hi. Wait, folks. Well, let's go. Where are those scabby losers? Can use the blindness attack. Shit, where are those blue suckers? Whoa, 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 whoa. Shit, yes, no. Well, I got him with a blindness. Kill him! Kill him! He's blind! He's blind! Shit. Well, that was awesome. Oh, I'm just gonna hit them with a blindness potion. Oh. That's always. Whoa. No. No. Ah. Fuck. Whoa. Whoa. There's a guy there shooting at our spawn. I just wish that we could shoot at their spawn. Okay. There's some guys there. This is some... shit. No, 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 no. There are some blue there. I'm just gonna shoot him. Ah! And he doesn't die. That's just... Oh yeah, I used my blindness. I don't know what's my favorite. Ah! Shit! I have half a heart left. And I don't want to die of it. Shit. Shit, my god. Shit. Well, I survived. Ah! Shit! No, no, no. I think I just could take this way. No. No, I got a blindness potion. Shit. 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 It's just 4 seconds left, but shit! I don't like these blindness potions. If someone else uses them against me! Well, almost all of them got blind. Shit, and they're dead! And we'll see you next round. And it's just 9 seconds left. Woohoo! And we're soon gonna be teleported to the arena. This way it's parkour. Whoa, what? No! What the I never saw a blue teamer before. I've never seen a... Shit, I killed a blue teamer. What the It's PvP, everyone! This is everyone! Shit. And I'm just using my M16. No, no, no. Shit! A PvP battle! I've never been in such a thing before. Ah! That guy's killing me! Shit, I'm not a grafer. I'm not a grafer. I'm not a... Hope that no one comes here. What? No. Well, I think that was that for this edition, guys. If you would be so nice, please subscribe, and I would love a like too. And I think this is gonna be the next thing I do in YouTube. Well, bye. Goodbye. Oh, and yeah. Oh, and